Weaker technical forecast for Apple as stock downgraded to sell candidate. Updated on April 6, 2022, the Apple stock price fell by -2.01% on the last day, Wednesday, 6th of April 2022, from $175.04 to $171.52, and has now fallen 3 days in a row. During the day the stock fluctuated 2.06% from a day low at $170.13 to a day high of $173.63. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a 0.77% gain for the last 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 14 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 77 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $13.28 billion. The stock is moving within a wide and horizontal trend and further movements within this trend can be expected. Given the current horizontal trend, you can expect Apple stock with a 90% probability to be traded between $149.90 and $178.25 at the end of this 3-month period. A break of a horizontal trend is often followed by a large increase in the volume, and stocks seldom manage to go directly from the bottom of a trend up to the top. Stocks turning up in the middle of a horizontal trend are therefore considered to be potential runners. Signals forecast. The Apple stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average at the same time. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $175.82. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $166.50. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, March 29, 2022, and so far it has fallen -4.16%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and this stock should be followed more closely. Support, risk stop loss. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $170.33 and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock has average movements during the day and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $3.50 between high and low, or 2.06%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 2.08%. Our recommended stop loss, we hold in negative evaluation for this stock. No stop loss is set. Is Apple Incorporated stock a buy? Apple holds several negative signals and we believe that it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We, therefore, hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold, accumulate to a sell candidate. Current score, -2.546. Insiders are negative, selling more shares than they are buying in Apple. In the last 100 trades there were 7.54 million shares bought and 13.77 million shares sold. The last trade was done 3 days ago by O'Brien Deirdre, who sold 60.94 thousand shares. In general, the insiders are selling more stocks than they buy. There can be a variety of reasons for this, but in general it can be considered as a negative signal. Predicted opening price for Apple Incorporated of Thursday, April 7, 2022. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price April 7, 2022 $171.76.